You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's go through how to pronounce this name. This name exists in Chinese originally. That's the name of a dynasty or a dynasty. And in Chinese it is pronounced as Xia, Xia, Xia. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Now in English there are different interpretations, different pronunciations for the name. One of the most common ones, probably in English, is as Xia, but some say it also as Xia, also Xia or Xia. So there are indeed different pronunciations. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments, so we know which of those pronunciations is yours and the most common one. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.